guys, we're back at the fix and flip house and we're working on more demolition today. Farmer got to come with us, so we're gonna get a lot done. And we're probably spending the night over here. We brought all of our stuff so that we could get even more done. So he's working on the master bathroom right now because we're trying to get all that torn out. And then this wall behind me is right in the middle of the living room. We can actually see into it from the other side. So I'm gonna show you around the other side where they had a secret opening, which is actually really cool, that we can see into. You can open it up for us. Around this corner, let's see, there's a little handle down there in this hidden little closet spot. Okay, so see, they had a cool little door, and then inside, that's what's left of the fireplace. And so right now it's just a huge waste of space in here. So we're gonna actually take it out because the top of it is falling apart. It's not supporting anything. We're just gonna tear it all out. Show us what you're made of. Whoa!
Drop kick it. Oh, look at that crack.
Maybe your hands in here. That's where we tie into the ceiling.
You see plenty of what?
Fine.
Oh, we have a plant living in our attic that we're gonna have to kill. Okay, I'm coming up.
Oh, you can't actually reach.
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Oh my goodness.
Closing off the top.
We're checking out the top. Oh yeah, there's only a few up here. The top of the chimney that we're taking out, which is right down
It's moving.
there. This thing is, yeah, this thing is super weird. It's real. Look at that. They just tied it on the bottom. And this was up in the attic. Ah, it's huge. Look at, okay, I'm putting it next to you to show how, no, I just want to show how big it is. Like, look at how big that thing is. It's enormous. Well, Farmer got the entire thing pulled out. That's where it used to be. Now it's just a hole. A hole in the bottom and a hole in the top. And if you can believe it, this is all the light they have in the entire living room. One light right above me. That's it. See how dark this is in here? But demo is going a lot faster with Farmer here. He's over there working away while I take all the videos. Trying to get the dishwasher moved out of here so that we can remove that last part of the wall. Right there, it's got to come out so that we can remove all of that and open up this kitchen. After 5 hours, this is where we're at. Lots of walls taken down. My shirt used to be white. My face used to be clean. It's not anymore. Farmer worked really hard for all 5 hours. I had to go to Taco Bell not once but twice because they got our order wrong and nobody in my family can live without their nachos. One big money saving tip we're trying to implement with this house renovation, because it's 45 minutes away from our house, is we're really trying to remember to pack lunches and dinners and bring them here with us so that we don't have to eat out every time. It costs $50 to $75 every time to feed our large family of 7. Tonight we just did it at Taco Bell because it was our little guy's birthday, so it was a special occasion. But the last 4 times we've been here, we've packed our own lunches, and that saves a lot of money. It's been a really productive day. We're calling it a night. We're just gonna clean up and go to bed. Everybody's gonna sleep over here, and then we're gonna watch church in the morning here, so that's exciting. Farmer's telling me to get back to work, so I'll see you next time.